Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant low bun hairstyle using just 4 ponytails. To start, split the hair in half, and on the left hand side we're going to split that half in half again and secure each one into a low ponytail. Repeat on the right hand side, so split that section in half and create 2 more low ponytails. So you should have 4 ponytails all in a row. Gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little more volume. Starting on the left hand side, I'm going to make a hole behind the elastic band from left to right. Pop your fingers through that hole, pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a sideways twist. Repeat this on all 4 ponytails. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, starting back on the left hand ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half so you've got a top and bottom section. Let the top section down to the left hand side and bring the bottom section up. Clip it out of the way for later. Repeat this on all ponytails, so split it in half, drop the top half down to the left hand side and bring that bottom section up and clip away. Do this on all 4 ponytails. Gather those bottom ponytails and sweep them over to the right hand side. Add an elastic band a couple of inches away from the head. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each ponytail to keep them separate. Then just braid the end of that ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. This just makes pinning easier. And all I'm going to do is tuck that braid underneath the ponytails and secure everything to the head with a few bobby pins. I leave my bobby pins closed because it helps them grip better. Next, release those top parts of the ponytail down and then grab each ponytail to keep them separate, and then with your other hand we're gently going to roll it towards the head, bringing the tail ends down to the right hand side. Secure to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. With the tail ends, I'm going to bring these underneath the bun and up the opposite side. Tuck the tail ends in and secure with a couple of bobby pins. And to really make the top of the bun pop, take each individual ponytail, push it towards the head and secure with a bobby pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.